Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about Nurbs curves and Nurbs circle. Okay, so let me show you how we can going to do it. Okay, let me illustrate that for you. We'll go Shift A and we'll go to the curves and we'll go to the Nurbs curves. We have something like this. You see it's a curve. Okay, Nurbs curve. That's why they name it Nurbs Curve. Nurb is more used by Rhino because it's not mesh based. Rhino uses Nurb and 3D Max uses mesh. Also keep it in mind. So we'll go by pressing tab and we can see something like this. You can see that we can change it. And we can see that we can change it like this, but I'll press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. If I want to move it in X and Y direction, I'll press G and Shift Z, so it will lock it. Okay, so we can see that we can move it like this. And let's go to the 7, and we will go to the 7, and you see that we have only 4 vertices that that this curve has, that manipulates this curve. And let's press E. You can see that we can press E and we see something like this. Let's see what happened to it. Yeah, see, and press E like this, and we can bring it back G, yeah, like this, and we can select both of them, this, and press F, and you can see that it's something like this is created. So what we will do is that we will go to here and select all, and we can subdivide it, or like here we can subdivide it. We can add more vertices or vertex. Okay, so like that, we pressed F, so we will connect it. And what we will do is that we will go out of edit mode, and we will go to the convert it to the mesh because it's curved, so we are going to convert it to the mesh. And you can see something like this, and we will press tab. We can see, press 1, we can see that it's we have vertices and we have segments, but we don't have face. So I'll click A on, I'll press A and press F, and we will have the face. And I'll press 3 and I'll make something out of it, like something extruded, and insert something. If you couldn't insert it because the problem is because that it has some sharp edges, so you have to correct it, but I'm not going to correct it. It's just illustration of what Nurbs curve does. Okay, so we will extrude it and right click and scale it like this, and extrude it. You can see something like this. Okay, this was the Nurbs curve. Let's go to the Nurbs circle. The same thing happens. Let's press tab, and we can click on this, and we can click on this, and we can click on this. You can see that the vertices are going up and down because we didn't lock at the Z axis. For example, if I press G and Shift Z, it will lock the Z axis, so we can move it without worrying about the Z axis, so it's on one line. Okay, so again what we can do is that let's put something like this. Let's play with it. We can make maybe a heart, isn't it? Let's do it. Yeah, maybe we can do it. Oh my gosh, let me see. I don't believe I am doing this for you. For you. So this is going to be broken. Oh no, man, I don't like this. Oh, this heart is broken. No, it's not broken. I'm joking. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to object and we are going to convert it to the mesh, and we will edit and press A. You can see the shortcuts here, and F, and extrude this, and insert, and extrude, and insert. We can't insert, so something goes wrong because we didn't make it, we didn't put the angle of the vertices in a very good way, so the program will insert it. So what we will do is that we'll extrude it and right click and scale it and extrude it, and again we will insert it. If you see something like this, so what we will do is that same, we will extrude it and right click it and scale it like the old videos that I have shown you. Okay, like this, you see. And we are, I think we are, it's like a cake, and you will put something here. Let me put something here like a wax. Okay, like a wax. Let's put a cylinder. S, shift Z, so we can go and put shift D, so it's like a candle, isn't it? Wax, we call it wax, isn't it? So like this, and we are going to put something here, and again let's put it a cylinder, because now we are not going to deal with the fires and things. It's dangerous, isn't it? It's dangerous, so we are not going to do this for right now. Like this, something like this, scale Z, and we can go here and like this. Okay, so let me see, let's shift D and shift D, let's put it here, shift D, GZ, G, like this. Okay, this is cool, you see. And this is like a cake, a tilted cake. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.